Lord Krishna said, one should begin to observe this vow on Dasmi, the day before Ekadasi. One should not eat foodstuff cooked by others. He should not eat on a plate made of bell metal, and should not eat urd dal, chickpeas, spinach, and honey on a day before Ekadasi. One should eat boiled sun rice with ghee and rock salt. One should sleep on the floor and strictly observe celibacy on Ekadashi. On Ekadashi, rise early, Brahma Muhurta, brush teeth and take a bath. Worship Krishna with sandalwood paste, incense, a lamp, a guru, camphor, and water. And one should chant the holy names. We'll be offering a guru together soon. One should chant the holy names and glories of the Lord. One should not indulge in useless talk. If one drinks water or milk on a day of Ekadashi, which occurs during Adhika month, then his vow is spoiled. One should remain awake at night on Ekadashi, glorify the holy names and qualities of the Lord. By remaining awake for 3 hours, you get one Agni Shtoma sacrifice. So 3 hours means, from sunset plus 3 hours, so 7. So you remain awake till 10. You just racked up one Agni Shtoma sacrifice in your Sukriti account. If you remain awake for 6 hours, which is till 1 o'clock, 7 o'clock to 1 a.m., then you get a Bajpayee sacrifice. That's like really big time. That's quite a lot of sacrificial points. If you remain awake for 9 hours, which means till 4 a.m., 7 p.m. to 12 is 5, and 12 to 4 is 5, 9. So if you stay up till 4 a.m., you get the result of performing Ashwamedha sacrifice, horse sacrifice. And by remaining awake until sunrise, you get a Rajasuya sacrifice. That's big. On the day of Dwadasi, tomorrow, or today it's actually, one should complete his vow by feeding Vaishnavas and Brahmanas. A person who observes Ekadasi in this way certainly attains mukti, liberation.